Doing a horse trailer, found that it only has 4 lug nuts, a lock on there, and I highly doubt he has that. I don't have a wheel lock remover kit. I really need to get one of those. Gotta figure it out as we go. Passenger side rear. Oh yeah, magnets are done. Shoe's almost a metal. Yeah, I was right, definitely needs brakes. Rear brake is off. I'm gonna cut this off, get this wheel off, get the brakes on, and then figure out how to get that off. Passenger side front coming off. Oh yeah, magnets are toasted. It's about as bad as you can get other than fully broken off. They got super hot at one point. No shoe material left on the plates. All right, Black Widow. I'm not your friend, not your enemy. You can go over there. Change up this wiring here. It's been patched a couple times. New backing plates are on, just gotta mount them. Make sure the wiring does not get smashed on the mounting plate. Backing plates on. I bought these 90-degree strippers from Mac. It always helps on the wiring when you're trying to do these 12-inch backing plates somewhere or like under a trailer and you can't get to anything to really get the side strippers to work. I bought these 90-degree ones. They work really well right here. Passenger side front is done. I think I'm gonna leave enough and then I'm gonna zip tie it to the torsion. All right, good, left enough for anybody who's gonna do brakes after me. Just gonna zip tie the excess to the torsion right here. Running new brake wiring for the rear axle now. Perfect, use our new 90-degree strippers. And wire zip tied to the back. Good, leave enough access here that I can work. Really want to pull new wire through this tubing here. Looks like I can accomplish what I need to do. Really hope this pulls through evenly. It's able to get it to work, pulled all the way through. I just had to burn a couple of shrink wrap butt connectors. Okay, driver's side. We're taking the whole assembly off, and then we're just gonna figure out how to get that locking lug nut off. Where is this tang washer? Is this another one where it's not bent over? Good thing these tires didn't come off. Driver's side rear. Oh. Time to change. And driver's side front. Same thing. Front driver backing plates off. And driver's side rear's off. Both spindles are clean. Front driver's side passengers going on. Wires are not smashed in the mounting, so that's good. Front is on and secure. Rear is going on. Your wiring is not gonna smash on the backing plate. All right, I got a plan for the lug nuts. I'm gonna run over to Harbor Freight. It's about 10 minutes, 15 minutes away. I'm gonna wire up all this first, head over to Harbor Freight, grab that. I think both of these hub and drums are good. Backing plates are changed out. I'm wiring everything so we have good connection. Front's wired. Looks like ground, and then there, red is brakes on this trailer. Both backing plates are wired together. Black is my negative, black to black. Red is gonna be my positive for the brakes. It's gonna be red and blue for brakes. And shrink wrap is done. Let's wire up the other side. Wiring's all done on this. Harbor Freight had the tools I needed. Let's see if it works. Hell yeah. That's what I needed. How's this hub? I'm gonna change out the passenger side 2 hubs. The driver side 2 hubs are okay. All right, the Maddox Universal set doesn't have this. I need a 5 spline, so extractor tool it is. Got it. All hub and drums are free. Checking seals, 2 1/4. Hubs are packed. Passenger side rear, retainer is verified. Passenger side front, retainer is verified. Go till you can't turn the hub, back off. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. Front passenger's adjusted. Back it off, slightly rubbing on the brakes. Passenger side rear's done. Brakes are all adjusted on the passenger side. Wiring is up and zip tied up and out of the way. It's not gonna get hit by anything on the road, and it's gonna be out of the way of the tires and wheels. Let's do driver's side. Driver's side front, retainer is verified. Driver's side rear, retainer is verified. Back off till slightly rubbing. Adjusted, slightly rubbing. Wiring zip tied, up and out of the way. Will not get caught on the road and will not get caught on tires. All right, wiring is a little screwy on the front here, so I'm trying to fix it. Hopefully the first try is a good one. All right, we're just gonna cut everything. Start from 0 here. All right, new breakaway kit's going on. New breakaway switch is on. I got all the wiring taken care of. New breakaway switch is on. New breakaway kit is on. New connections on everything. Eyelets on the plug. And I'm gonna shrink wrap all these butt connectors and then put it in some loom. Got everything working. Pretty stoked, honestly. Shrink wrap's done. Loom lock going on. And last and final zip tie. All butt connectors are shrunk wrap. All wires are covered. Let's confirm lights because I already checked the lights. Marker lights are on all the way down passenger side. Good. Marker lights on rear are good. Right turn is on and working. Left turn is on and working. And marker lights down driver's side are all good. Front driver's side's free spinning. Rear driver's side's free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Rear locked up. Brakes are off. Back to free spinning. Back to free spinning. Perfect. Passenger side brakes. Free spinning on the front. Free spinning on the rear. Brakes are on, locked up. Rear is locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Free spinning. Sweet. Breakaway pin is pulled. Brakes are locked up. Rear locked up. Breakaway kit works. And torquing lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. Let's do the rundown on this horse trailer. I saved 2 hubs for him. I changed out 2 hubs. He's got 2 new hub and drums on his passenger side, 4 new brakes. The whole brake system is rewired. The front is rewired, new breakaway kit. Everything is cut and cleaned. I put new butt connectors, shrunk wrap everything. All lights and wiring work. Lug nuts are torqued. Brakes are adjusted. This job's done. I'm on to the next.